Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs, Mississippi. We have a 2015 Volkswagen Passat TDI, 119,000 miles, just serviced, fresh oil change, new fuel filter, really nice car. Do a quick walk around video. Exterior's in pretty good shape. Interior's clean and in good condition as well. A couple little minor scratches here and there, a little bit there, but overall she's pretty clean. Front bumper has a little bit of rock chips. Take a peek at the inside. Comes with a sunroof. Leather. Has navigation, heated seats, backup camera. 119,855 miles. We'll start her up. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. Or you can text us as well there. Email us at theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody who may be interested. Also, for any service-related questions, you can schedule a service appointment with us. Just give us a call for any Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche vehicle maintenance needs. Thanks for checking out our video.